No, it ain't happening like that.
What goes on in the Church of Satan?
Well, one of the main misconceptions is that the Church of Satan is a physical building where black-robed people come to congregate. The Church of Satan is an idea more than a building. It is a large network of people internationally who are committed to the ideas of Satanism. We don't all get together and have bingo games and raffles like Christian churches do to keep everyone feeling like they're part of one big happy family.
Now with the advent of the internet and spaces such as YouTube, we can watch old sermons and see what we were not able to see previously. When caught red-handed, some double down and justify their actions to normalize and continue their behavior, which we will see in the following clip.
Some folk be cussing me out.
Muchas gentes lo han maldecido.
One fella says that I'm with the Illuminati.
Y hay un hombre que dice que está con el Illuminati.
He said, look at Pastor Jenny's hand gestures.
Dice, mira cómo mueve sus manos y la.
You know, because sometimes I may stand like this.
Sí, porque a veces que se para así.
He said, why he making a pyramid?
Y dice que está haciendo una pirámide con sus manos.
You dumb, ignorant, hell-bound thing.
No seas necio.
Too dumb to realize that the Illuminati just took everyday hand gestures.
No te das cuenta que la organización de Illuminati solamente agarró movimientos de la mano que son comunes.
They just hijacked everyday hand gestures.
Sí, movimientos comunes de diario.